Good evening, everyone. Thank you in advance to those who support my LS and update only, guys. Thank you in advance and sa lahat ng sumusuporta palagi. Thank you, guys. And day, good good afternoon, and good evening, good morning, everyone. Wherever you are, and thank you and shout out to all of you. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Ma'am Ann. Ma'am Maris, thank you. Ma'am Annalisa, thank you. Ma'am Jetis, thank you so much. At Kaiser Jong Race, thank you. Sir RJ, thank you. Ma'am Maj Jail, thank you. And Kai Ma'am Home, thank you so much. Sir Reggie, thank you so much. Ma'am Arlene and Ma'am Chin, thank you. And Sir Ed, thank you so much. At kay Manang NJ, thank you for the joining. Thank you for the join button. Thank you so much. And appreciate it. Thank you guys and have a nice day. Tuesday na pala. Thank you guys. Wala na. Update lang to. Wala akong net. Re-reconnect siya. As in, nagre-reconnect. Ba't ayaw sumagot si ano? Madilim. Nasaan na si ano? I'm gonna leave this live. I need to continue my work. Shout out everyone. Thank you so much. Oh, may net siya, pero minsan wala. Hindi pa ako nakapag balik sa mga nagsuporta sa akin. Kukonecting siya, oh. Bakit ganun?